How to trash and permanently delete designs on Canva. So if you want to trash and permanently delete, then first of all open up your Canva and you can open up your Chrome or your Google browser, and then on the search bar you can search for canva.com, and then it will take you to the website, and after that you can log in from there. And after logging in you will see this kind of view. And now to trash and permanently delete, on the left you will have a bunch of options. So on the bottom side you will have a trash option. Click on trash, and from here you will have trash. So I don't have any trash right now, so you can either simply click on designs that you want to delete, and images and videos, you can either select any one of them. You can delete your designs from here, and after deleting it from here you will permanently delete those designs on your Canva. So that's it guys, that's how you trash and permanently delete on Canva. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.